thanks for joining me for my diamond keychain tutorial. Before you get started, you will need to know how to do a half hitch knot. I'll link in the description the tutorial for that knot. This is what you'll need for the project. If you bought my kit, you'll just need the tape, scissors, and a comb. Here I'm using 3mm string from Naroma Studios. It's also helpful to have some duct tape or packing tape to keep your key ring in one place. All right, let's get started. First, we are going to start by attaching all 4 strings with a lark's head knot. You're going to start by folding your first string in half. You're going to pull it through the keychain. And then you're going to pull the 2 tails through the loop that you just made. This is what that should look like. And then repeat with the last 3 strings. After that, you're going to tape the keyring flat to your surface and tighten your lark's head knots. Next, you're going to find the 2 middle strings. Cross the right string over the top of the left like so, and then you'll make your first half hitch knot. Make sure to keep your right string pointed in the same direction the entire time. You're going to continue your knots at this angle until you get to the last string on the left. Push the 4 left strings to the side. And you're going to take this string and repeat your half hitch knots the same way, but holding that string in the opposite angle. And that's how you complete your first row, and then we're going to start the pattern over. Find the 2 middle strings. Take the right string over the top and start your half hitch knots following the top row. Try to get those as tight to the first row as possible. You're going to push your left strings to the side and do your second row in the other direction. Next, you want to find the 4 middle strings and grab your Scotch tape. Take 2 of those middle strings, and you're going to use your tape to create a point so that you can easily push the string through your bead. And then you're going to repeat with the other 2. And then slide those through your bead. pull all those strings so the bead is at the very top. And you're going to lay all of those 4 strings out flat. Now you're going to take your far left string and pull it over the top like this. You're going to make 3 half hitch knots in this direction, making sure that the left string that you're holding is pointing at a downward angle. Then go to your far right string and repeat your 3 half hitch knots on this side. Then we need to combine these last 2 strings to finish the diamond shape. The right string is already on top, so take the left string and make another half hitch knot. It should look like this. Then you're going to repeat the same steps for your second row. 3 half hitch knots starting with your left string, and then 3 half hitch knots starting with your right string, and then you're going to combine them in the middle. With the right over the left. Your last step is going to cut it to the length you want. And then you're going to comb out your fringe. If your fringe isn't laying flat, you can always spray it with a little water. Evening out the ends here, and here's your finished product. Here are some other examples that I've made in the same pattern. Thanks for watching. Give us a follow on Instagram at punky.knot.